Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform this selfie photo to become this wildlife style. And also you can change the features like the background, and also you can add the cheetah cup like this, and also the look and also the pose itself. Isn't that cool, right? How to create this transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to try another AI platform such as Gemini and also Gemini AI or Quen AI, then it is very okay. You can do the exploration with it, and also here I will share you the prompt to create this photo transformation. And if you would like to try it from the Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email to try this access. And you can click this try nano banana, and after that I will start to upload the selfie picture from my gallery or from my device. For example, this one. And after that, in this section, I will start to put the prompt like this. And basically the prompt gonna be like this. Transform this photo into the ultra realistic cinematic wildlife scene, and the person in the image is turned into the wildlife photographer lying on the grassy savanna during the golden hour sunset. And also add the warm natural lighting and soft shadows. A baby cheetah gently rests in its paws or rests its paws, on the photographer's shoulder while curiously looking at the camera lens. And also the photographer is holding the professional DSLR with a long zoom lens, for example, and also wearing the neutral safari clothing like a beige shirt, khaki pants, and also the dark watch. And also the background shadow white open the African grassland and with a tree silhouette and glowing orange sky. And also you can add the details like the atmosphere feel to be adventurous and also calm and full of connection with the nature. And you can put the another details like the professional DSLR 85mm, and also ultra detailed natural texture, realistic color, 8K resolution. And after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Well, basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create this photo transformation. However, you can also have a little bit different look, but still in the one theme, which is the wildlife photographer and a cheetah cub. And also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.